This video will show you how to manually track a face or object using guides in Premiere Pro. Select your clip in the timeline. Navigate to the Effects Controls panel where you can adjust the scale of your clip if needed. Go to the View menu and enable Show Rulers. Create one horizontal and one vertical guide on your screen to establish a center alignment reference point. In the Effect Controls panel, activate keyframing by clicking the stopwatch icon next to the position property. Access the positioning controls through the motion effect. Reposition your clip so the subject you want to track appears perfectly centered between your guide markers. Move forward exactly 5 frames in your timeline. Click and drag your image to recenter the subject between the guides. Continue this process of advancing 5 frames and repositioning the image throughout the entire duration where you want the tracking effect to be maintained.